Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm gonna share why anti-MLM people cannot hate on LiveGood. Alright, now there's a lot of anti-network marketing people out there, anti-MLM. They got videos all over YouTube talking about how MLM is a scam, it's garbage, you can't make money, this, that, and the third, right? But I'm a part of two network marketing companies that just dispel all of the hate. These opportunities prove that network marketing is a legit and profitable way to make money online. Now, LiveGood is one of the most popular network marketing opportunities out there right now. Thousands of people are joining LiveGood every single week, so you might want to jump on ASAP. Now, even with that being said, you got anti-MLM people without even looking into LiveGood. They'll instantly be like, trash, no, garbage, I'm good, nope, not gonna work, whack, trash, garbage, and so on, right? Well, here's the thing. Check this out. This is where anti-MLM people cannot hate on LiveGood. All right, let's get into it. First of all, what do anti-MLM people say about, network marketing companies? One of the first things they say is it costs too much to get started with network marketing companies. It's a ripoff. You get charged, hundreds of dollars to get started with these opportunities because you got to buy these packages and all these, all these little things and all these little fees that are associated with getting started with your typical network marketing opportunity. Now, maybe that's the case in some, but with LiveGood, nah, right? With LiveGood, it costs you to get fully up and running and put yourself in a position to start making money. It costs you $50, right? Now, here's the thing. $40 is just to become an affiliate. It's an affiliate fee. That $40 basically say, hey, I want to be a lifetime affiliate of LiveGood, right? It's a one-time $40 fee. Now the other $10 comes from your monthly membership to be a part of LiveGood. Now, so after you pay that $50, you only have to pay $9.95 a month. That's it. $9.95 a month. So if you're anti-MLM, what do you gotta say about that? And what I love about LiveGood, especially because I'm into health and wellness anyway, but it ain't like you just paying $10 a month for nothing just to be like, hey, I'm a member, hey, I'm LiveGood. Nah, the benefits that you get as a LiveGood member just for that $10 a month is crazy. All right, here's the thing. It allows you to get crazy discounts on their products, right? Like when you see the prices that you get as a LiveGood member versus not being a member, it's like it's a no-brainer, right? You're gonna want to take advantage of your $10 LiveGood membership just on the products itself, right? But even if you don't care about LiveGood products, once again, $10 a month to be active and to stay a member and have incredible earning potential is well worth it. Now, another thing that anti-MLMers always talk about is the monthly mandatory orders, right? When you got to get all the like the BV and the SVP and all of those, like these little sayings and everything, where you have to basically sell a certain amount of products, to keep your ranking, right? You have to order a certain amount of products to keep your status in the company, right? So that for you to keep having your earning potential, you have to buy something or you have to really sell a lot of product to stay where you're at. And, anti-MLMers are like, yo, that's whack. What kind of business opportunity is that? Like that ain't fair. That ain't cool, right? And maybe you feel that way. Maybe that's the case. But with LiveGood, all right, that's not the case, right? You are not required to purchase any products if you don't want to. You are not required to sell a certain amount of products to keep your status in the company. The only thing you need to do to stay active with LiveGood and still keep earning money with the company is maintain your $10 a month membership. That's it. So you don't have to worry about, oh my God, I got 1 week left. I got to sell $200 worth of lotions, or I got to sell, $100 worth of CBD. Nah, right? With LiveGood, just make sure that damn membership is up to date and you good to go. Now, one more thing that anti-MLMers love to talk about when it comes to network marketing is crappy products, crappy overpriced products. All right, that's their thing. Like, man, these products cost, you could get these products way cheaper on Amazon or at Walmart, right? And in a lot of network marketing cases, it's true. You know what I'm saying? They got like different, protein drinks. You get the formula for, $70, right? For 1 month supply. Or you can get CBD products for, $80 for a little bottle of CBD. That is the case in a lot of network marketing companies. But damn it, not with LiveGood. This is the thing. LiveGood actually has quality products. How I know, first of all, I actually buy them. But second of all, you can actually look at the ingredients in the products. You can actually read about LiveGood's products before you get involved with the company, before you decide to purchase any for yourself. Look at them, compare the products to other products out on the market, and then ask yourself, like, is this a quality product or not? But what's even better than that is the prices that you get the products at LiveGood, as a LiveGood member. It's super cheap, right? So our products are not overpriced at all. In fact, LiveGood products are underpriced. This is why being a LiveGood member is so beneficial, because you get high quality products at very affordable prices. Those were just a few reasons why anti-MLMers cannot hate on LiveGood. You just can't. So if you are not a LiveGood member yet, you definitely need to take that LiveGood tour, and you can do that right now. So if you are not a LiveGood member yet, you need to take the LiveGood tour right now, and you can do that by clicking the link in the description. And I will see you on the LiveGood team.